Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Troy, and I'm doing another YouTube video about my fidgets. So let's get right to it. First we have this blue around it with the love eyes emojis on the back. Then it has, these are actually the bearings. These can't come out. They're actually metal. This is how it spins. Okay, that was one. Next, we have this fidget spinner. It has black in the bearings, not to be racist, but yeah. And then it has, let me see, has baseballs in it, if you could see. Baseball. That's how it spins. That was two. And next we have this one. I lost that other piece, but still spins. Still spins. Good. Then it was green with like stuff in it. You can see. Next we have this one. This is one of them that you might be jealous for. Let me show you closer. It's actually a diamond right there, if you could see. And that's, I don't know if I can get it out. This is how it spins. It has a little cring to it. Yeah. And that one, this one. And then I'm back. Next, this one was one of the new ones. I just showed you guys that one. This is another one. If you could see, my hands are getting really tired. So we have this one, and this one. Wait, guys. I mean pillow. Because my hands are getting so tired. And then we had this one. You can see. Doesn't spin for that long. Spins pretty good. Has a little noise to it. But it still spins. Next we have this rose gold. Might look like it's regular gold, but it's actually rose gold. If you could see. It's two-sided. Darkness, my friend. He come to talk to you again. Okay. Oh, guys, me lost a piece. This is my homemade one. Made it out of like if you get a little cardboard, then rip it off, then get hot glue, get like a screw, not like a pointy one, but then stick it in there, then get a bottle cap, and then get like one of these, and screw it in kind of, then get one of these, and then push it down, screw it down, and I don't know, it might spin. You do not need bearings. Barrels, I call them sometimes. and then you don't need them. So next, I'm not just showing you guys the cool ones yet to like show off. I'm just like showing them first because they have a lot to talk about to get them over with to make the video quick. I'm not making it quick, but it's gonna be long. So, but next we have this ninja one that everybody likes. I don't know why, it's just pointy. This cannot kill somebody. I mean, it cannot kill somebody. You hear me? It cannot kill somebody. What did I say, guys? It cannot kill somebody. I'll write that in the comments. The description. And then, yeah, then it has a little bit of green. If you could see right there. Then it has like rose gold here. There. So it spins. Has a little like ring. And then next we have this one, like a skeleton one. Guys. I did not turn that on. Nobody is over there. Look, nobody's here. Nobody's in there. But that was just creepy. Let's go back to the video. So we have a skeleton one. I'll try to block that off. This is like kind of like a rainbowish. The rainbow there. Kind of like spiky. You can see. Spiky. But you guys hear that? I hear it. If you guys can hear that, I can hear it. If I can hear it, you guys can hear it. This might not be a fidget spinner to you, but it is. It's a keychain you can put on your backpack. Then it'll zip. Is red. Spins, but this is in the way. Okay. Next we have this one. I'll turn the lights off. Alright, let's get back to the video. And it's this. I turned it off. There it's off. Next we have this one. It's actually metal. It's like green. Better watch out. Better not cry. Next, this is another new one. And this is another new one I just showed you. This is an American flag with the Statue of Liberty on it. Yeah. And this one, it has like a magnet in it. It's like shaped, I don't know, like a pointy kind of. It's yellow. If you guys, it's obvious because you guys know your colors. I hope you do. Oh, this video is 11 minutes. My network says I can't go over 15 minutes. So guys, I gotta hurry. I'm just gonna like show you it from now. I'll tell you guys if it's like new or not. If I don't tell you it's new or not, that means I had it for a long time. You guys might think some of them are new, but they're not. Another new one. This one's like the Flash, kind of. This one's new. Shaped like a slingshot. Oh, 12 minutes, guys. I gotta hurry. Another new one. Pink. Spin smooth. This is another new one. No, wait, this one's not new. This one goes in dark. And this is another one. It's gold. It's new. Hey, why are you shaking your head? No. You should be. Yes. This is actually new. Spins kind of smooth. Oh, guys, we gotta hurry. And then. Rose gold. New one. 14 minutes, guys. Oh! This is another new one. No. Not new. New one. Oh, guys. New. Guys, this one's. That's a new one. This is 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 a new one. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to my channel and put notifications on. Hope you enjoyed the video.